Out here at Primary Arms, giving the VIP treatment for AAF, y'all. Holy crap. It's a long ride for the parking lot, man, but I'm doing it in style. We're on the move back with another one. All right, guys, today we're at the Primary Arms Government Range Day. Man, why am I at the Government Range Day? Well, hell, when I do all my polls, you always tell me I'm the feds and my polls and stuff, so I guess maybe I am the feds, man. We hanging out with the feds today. Let's get in here and see what kind of guns they got, man. They got a great setup, man. Let's check it out, man. By Lagos, and it exists. It is not a fable. This gun actually exists, y'all. This is the first time I've ever seen it in a while. Anybody I know never seen it, man. We're gonna shoot it. Let's go.
Very polished. So it's just going to be, I'm assuming y'all have a 5-pound cutoff on trigger.
Okay. All right, here we go.
Right foot forward.
Yeah, a little bit. Scoot up a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, right there. Right foot forward. High, hold it higher, hold it higher. Yeah, there you go. And then not bad. Oh, watch out now. Or a few more, you'll get it. You step right over it. Nice.
So this is a 300 hammer. I never heard this in my life, but it sounds cool as hell. So I'm gonna shoot it, man. Let's go.
Like I said, it's 300 blackout on the steroids.
All right, y'all. Walter PDP, man. First time shooting it, man. Let's go. Primary Arms, I appreciate y'all for the love. There we go. There it is, man. Man, the trigger is sweet as they say it is, man. For sure, for sure. AR-15, 308, F1 firearm.